ComfyUI is the most powerful open-source image generation tool available right now. It has over 65,000 GitHub stars and runs entirely on your own machine. No API keys, no usage fees, no data sent anywhere. In this video, you will install ComfyUI using Docker, download your first model, and generate your first image. You only need Docker installed. Let's get started. First, pull the Docker image. The image we use is called yanwk comfy-u-i-boot. It handles everything automatically: Python, PyTorch, and CUDA support. In your terminal, run docker pull yan-wk/comfy-u-i-boot:\latest. The image is about 8 GB, so expect around 6 minutes on a fast connection. Now start the container. This command launches ComfyUI with full GPU access on port 8188. Run docker run with the detached flag, then add --GPUs all to enable your NVIDIA GPU. Map the port with -P8188:8188. Add 3 volume mounts, 1 each for models, output, and custom nodes. Set the container name to comfy-u-i and add --restart unless --stopped, so it starts automatically with Docker. Wait about 60 seconds for the initial startup, then open localhost :8188 in your browser. You will see the ComfyUI canvas with a default text-to-image workflow already loaded. If it does not load after 90 seconds, check the logs with docker logs ComfyUI. For a repeatable setup, use Docker Compose. Create a new folder called comfy-u-i, then create a docker-compose.y-m-l file inside it. The compose file defines the same image, the same 3 volumes, and the GPU device reservation. If you are running CPU only, replace the deploy block with an environment variable CLI-args equals --CPU-low VRAM. Start ComfyUI with docker compose up-d. To update to the latest version later, run docker compose pull, then docker compose up-d again. Your models and custom nodes are stored in named volumes, so they survive every update. ComfyUI is a front-end only. It does not include any AI models. You need to download models and place them in the correct subfolder of the models volume. A good starting point is SDXL base 1.0. It is 6.9 GB and needs 6 GB of VRAM. First, install the Hugging Face CLI with pip install hugging-face-hub. Then find where Docker stores your model's volume by running docker volume inspect comfy-u-i_models. Look for the mount point field in the output. That path is your model's directory on the host. Use the Hugging Face-CLI download command to save the model file into the checkpoint subfolder of that path. After downloading, click the gear icon in ComfyUI and click refresh. Your model will appear in the load checkpoint node dropdown. Now generate your first image. The default workflow is already loaded on the canvas when you open ComfyUI. Click the load checkpoint node and select the model you just downloaded. Click the positive CLIP text encode node and type your image prompt. In the empty latent image node, set the resolution to 1024 by 1024 for SDXL models. Click Q prompt in the top right or press Ctrl Enter. On a 6 GB GPU running SDXL, generation takes about 15 to 30 seconds. Your image saves automatically to the output volume. Finally, install ComfyUI Manager. This gives you a one-click browser interface to install custom node packs for ControlNet, face restoration, video generation, and more. Run this command: docker exec-i-t comfy-u-i bash. Then c-d into the custom_nodes directory and git clone the comfy-u-i-manager repository from l-t-d-r-data on git-hub. Restart the container with docker restart comfy-u-i. After restart, a manager button appears in the top right of the comfy-u-i canvas. Click it, then click Install Custom Nodes to browse and install any node pack with a single click. You now have ComfyUI running in Docker, a model downloaded, and ComfyUI Manager ready. The full written guide with every exact command is linked in the description. Copy them from there. Subscribe to our free newsletter for daily AI tool updates. The link is in the description.